Hello everyone, in today's tech tip we're going to be talking about Microsoft Teams apps. So you may already be using Microsoft Teams. If you're not, I recommend trying it out. It's pretty awesome. But within Microsoft Teams there are something called apps. And apps let you integrate Microsoft apps and third-party apps to help improve your workflow. It's pretty great. So in this tech tip we're going to go over 5 of the apps that are really popular and ones that you may be able to incorporate into your own workflow. Let's get going. The first app on the list is called Polly. Polly's great and very simple. What it allows you to do is create a survey that you can send out to your employees. So hey, where should we do the quarterly company meeting? Or what do you want to have for lunch? Or something even more important like, hey, this is the strategic vision. What do you think? So Polly, very simple, quick way to gather a poll from your team. Number 2 on the list is called Karma. Karma allows employees to nominate their peers or even groups of individuals and provide that positive reinforcement. This helps to track some performance as well as award excellence. Number 3, and I love this one so much because it has helped us tremendously, and that one is called Vacation Planner. So trying to track how many vacation days someone has or when they're going to be out and how many days they, all this stuff is just too much, and doing it through email isn't going to work out. Vacation Planner allows someone to submit their vacation, how many days and when. It goes right to the team lead. That team lead can see if anyone else is going to be out that day and approve or deny on the spot. And it tracks sick days, any other extra days, PTO days, all that good stuff, so you don't have to keep up with it, and it's right in Microsoft Teams. Number 4 is Trello. I'm sure you've heard of Trello and you may already be using Trello. Well, Trello has a Microsoft Teams app that you can use, integrates right into Microsoft Teams. Now, if you're using a different project management software, well, see if there's an app for that, because most likely, or at least on the horizon, it's going to be in there. And number 5 is a bit of a wild card, and that's Health Hero. So wellness programs at companies, they're growing. So Health Hero actually allows your employees to add in their Fitbits and all the other things to track performance. You can have little engaging leaderboards and do competition. So it's just a fun way to get the team involved with health. Microsoft Teams is an incredible tool that just keeps growing in benefits. Teams apps is just one example of that. So if you don't currently use Microsoft Teams, or even if you don't currently use Microsoft Teams apps, I recommend trying to download just one app, maybe one from this list or a different one that you find. Give it a shot. Most likely it's going to improve your workflow. Right now I use multiple different apps because they all help me. So give it a shot, see how it goes. If you have any questions on Microsoft 365, Microsoft Teams, or even Teams apps, please reach out to us and we'd be happy to help. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.